Let me turn down the music. Let me hit that again. You. Oh boy, listen what's going on. Listen, man. Someone now wonder, yo, why me look like someone, a politician, someone, a favorite politician. Listen, man. We got business to sort out. But listen, I'm homeless, bro. I don't got no crib. We got school next week, and I don't got no crib, nigga. No crib. That shit is crazy. So listen, we kind of crib hunting today a little bit. You know, we finna make some phone calls, call up some people, try see what go on. You dig, but you know, me not too leak. You know what I'm saying? Can't leak the crib car, you know. Y'all be weird, you know what I'm saying? I can't trust y'all niggas. Y'all be weird. You know, we can't leak the crib. But, you know what I'm saying? Can try run up a little vibe, a little thing. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe, we have a little vlog, you know. We have a little other errand that we're gonna run, which I'm kinda late for. So it's like, you know, we kinda late for that, so like we have to go like to Z pre, so you know, shout out like if I know want more vlogs and them thing there, so easy pre. We have to go hit the road now, cause yo, I'm supposed to be there in like 30 minutes, bro, and that shit like a 45-minute drive, you know, them road they were Evalines, you know, tilt and things, so boom. Yo, I mean chat. So we back, bro. You know what I'm saying? We had to do a little fit change. I can't walk around looking like y'all favorite politician, bro. Come on, man. Listen. All I'm saying is, B. Stay out of crime, bro. Like, bro, this court shit is so annoying, bro. Like, whatever, nigga. We going shopping down there because, like, we gotta, like, buy some shit for, like, school and shit. Like, I need me some new Crocs because the Crocs I done bought, they was like an extra size, so like it was like bigger. But like, I still wore them, but I want better ones because like these are ones I'm aware because you know what I'm saying. Look at the kicks, chat. Look at the kicks. We got the church boy. We got the. What do you mean? Don't mind the map, chat. Don't mind the map. Listen, we live in the country, bro. Dirt is crazy, but like, what you about, bro? We got them hoes, like, bro. That shit is dirty as shit, but like, I'm gonna wear that shit. I'm gonna like clean it, and then we gon' rear skirt. You know what I'm saying? YouTube. I just got back from shopping, bro. Y'all can see the bags in the back. Hold on, let me turn the light on. Y'all can see the bags in the back. I'm about to do a tour, bro, but listen, bro, listen. Let me turn the flash on, bro. Turn the flash on. Right. Listen. Bro, when I tell you, I'm in the store, I'm taking up shit, like, because I got some bread, you know what I'm saying? I got sponsors, some bread. So I'm in the store taking up shit. And, you know what I'm saying? I pick out a few shit I like, and then I'm like, alright, nigga. We finna dip out. Tell me why. Tell me fucking why, nigga. This nigga add up the total, bro. Nigga. Bro, the price that this nigga tells me, bro. Like, I've never spent this amount of money in my life on anything. In my life. Bro, paying that nigga hurt my soul, nigga. Like, bro, I could not pay this nigga. Boy, bro, me feel like can't tell him. You just want to look, bro. Me look more looking man in the face and I tell him, say, yo, father, me not pay the bill then. Father. Listen, like, subscribe, please. Me I go homeless, me not in the yard. What me just do that? Bro, listen, I'm a justified. I don't know how the hell am I gonna explain this to my parents, dog? But like, they gave me the green light. They was like, buy shit, nigga. So I bought shit. I'm too broke to be moving like this. This is why we're broke. Cause I'm buying dumb shit. But I'm gonna give y'all the tour anyways. Like, subscribe, cause I'm going homeless. Like, bro, I don't got no house. Alright, we gonna give y'all a tour. First thing, you know what I'm saying? Draws. This is gonna be a little bit disorganized. Don't worry about it. So draws. I needed me some more designer draws. You know what I'm saying? Not even on some ego shit. I just needed me some draws. You know what I'm saying? That look good. I was looking for, like, what is it called? PTDS, that brand, but like they didn't have that shit. You know, it's that China store. I'm gonna go for bag draws. So like these was mad cheap. Like this bill, me could have paid this bill. You know what I'm saying? So I weren't even too mad. You know what I'm saying? I got about 6 of these hoes. Real Madrid jersey, coffee, cause like my other one got messed up, and it just sucked. Unbelievable. It just sucked. But this one is kind of like half-assed, but it came with shorts. I'm probably gonna use this shit to play ball, if I'm gonna be honest. So whatever. Oh, more draws, but like Reebok. I feel like these are tough. Like 2. Got me some actual Crocs, some official Crocs. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see the Crocs tag and everything. That shit look like kind of bright. I don't know if y'all can see it, but like Crocs tag, official Crocs. You know what I'm saying? I got me some. This shit smell nice too, nigga. What are you talking about? And I got me some studs. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm a bowler now. You know what I'm saying? I'm an official bowler now. And like for running and shits, you know what I'm saying? I can like run in these holes. You know what I'm saying? Did a good thing there. You see, free. Now that was some chill shit, right? That was the chill shit. I also got me this shit. I didn't know money. I got tights. I really wanted those, so good thing I got these boys. We taking off the tags and throwing that shit away, bro. We not letting we undercutting the price, but I'm not letting niggas know the actual price I spent on these things. Speaking of shoes, I got me some new shoes, you know what I'm saying? Some new Jordans. Now that I think about it, I probably didn't have to get these, but you know what I'm saying? I got me some Jordans. Hold on, let me get y'all this one. You know what I'm saying? Authentic, you know what I'm saying? Jordans. I think these are the Air Maxes. You know what I'm saying? Black, all black. I wanted all black because, like, bro, I live in Jamaica and, like, the little small step shoes look. So, you dig? Word my dead. So, that's that. Put that over there so far. I got me a tracksuit, Adidas tracksuit. Common Adidas tracksuit, you mean? You feel me? I'm gonna stop shopping at these corner stores, gang, cause I feel like these niggas overcharging, but you know what I'm saying? Common Adidas tracksuit. We running through this hole. Next we got this shit. I don't know what this is, but like I just mess with it. Like I mess with the design. Y'all see that shit? That shit look tough. Little long sleeve. This is gonna be my last long sleeve, bro. I'm not buying no more long sleeves after this. I'm gonna be a PO box demon. Yo, listen. I'm gonna like, subscribe. I'm gonna make a PO box. I'm gonna be putting shit in the PO box, and y'all can like send me shit, cause I'm too broke. Send me your brand and I advertise your brand, nigga. Shit, I need free clothes, niggas. If your brand tough, send me some of that shit, nigga. I'm working with niggas. Come on, man. So we got some Angel Palm. Listen, I just buy shit that look cool. You feel me? Like nothing too crazy. Billionaire Boy Club. I just wanted a pink shirt, and this shit was like not ass, so I got it. You know what I'm saying? This some thick ass material, right? This shit feel like a whole sweater bee. What the fuck? I feel, bro. This shit. I think this is also Asian pop. This shit tough too. You know what I'm saying? And last but not least, got me some Gallery Depot, chat. Gallery Depot. That's little confit. I actually love this shirt. This is probably one of my favorites. This is probably my favorite shirt. But, yeah, that's everything, bro. And I spent everything, bro. I spent all my money. I'm now bankrupt, gang. No fucking bankrupt, bro. Like, oh god. And I'm homeless, nigga. Like, dog. Like, subscribe, or so I can eat, bro. Somebody just texted me, bro. It's like it's being night. Kind of want to link channel to. I'll see if I can get a link with channel on the vlog. I don't know. It might be late. Dog. You link here now. Oh my god. I'm so ugly. Oh my days.
You're good? I am back.
You see reach home right now? I care about your bug. You care about your bug?
No,
God, sipping quickly, forgot it was mud. I don't cross, so I couple with drugs. Think I don't know when my time gonna come. I'm at the bottom, back where I begun.